Ever wondered how to install Windows 10 on your PC? Well, worry no more. Today, we're going to walk through the process step by step. First things first, we need to head over to the Get Windows 10 Download website. There, we'll find a blue button to download the download tool. This tool is essential for the installation process. Once we've downloaded the tool, we need to run the installation. We can do this by double-clicking the MediaCreationTool.exe file. If the user account control prompts, simply click Yes. Next, we need to accept the terms and conditions. After clicking Accept, we'll select the option to create installation media for another PC. Then, simply choose Next to continue. The next step involves setting your preferences. If you want to use the recommended options for your PC, leave the box checked. If not, uncheck the option and fill in your own preference settings. After that, press Next to continue. Now, choose USB flash drive and then click Next. Plug in your USB flash drive and choose the drive you want to use, then click Next again. Windows 10 will now begin to download. The speed of the download depends on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, a window will appear. Simply click Finish to continue. Unplug the USB from your current computer and plug it into the computer you want to install Windows 10 on. Then, restart your computer. To boot from your USB, you may need to press a specific key or combination of keys. This varies between different computers, so check the support website of your computer to find out what keys to press. When you see the Windows Setup page, select your language, time, and keyboard preferences. Then select Next. Click on Install Now. If you're not particularly tech-savvy, it's recommended to choose the first option at this stage. You can choose to install your Windows 10 system file to a certain partition here. Windows 10 is now installing. After the installation, you'll need to restart your computer. When your PC starts back up, you'll need to select the settings. It's recommended to choose Customize if you don't want to change the settings later manually. Sign in with your account now. Then hit Next to continue. The rest of the procedures are quite simple, and you should be able to follow through with the detailed instructions from Microsoft. And there you have it. Your Windows 10 installation is complete. Enjoy exploring your new operating system.